Resetting the oil life monitor is a DIY task, but Toyota advises professional resets for warranty purposes. The oil life display on your dashboard helps track when maintenance is needed. Ignoring the maintenance required soon message can lead to engine wear. Without proper oil changes, components like camshafts can suffer damage over time. Toyota is pushing for app-linked maintenance logs for remote resets on newer Prius models. Using apps like MyT or Entune, you can monitor and reset oil life remotely. Use synthetic oils for longer reset intervals, up to 10,000 miles. Synthetic oils last longer than mineral or semi-synthetic options, extending maintenance schedules. While DIY maintenance is increasing, improper resets can cause diagnostic errors. In short, reset the oil life monitor after an oil change using the trip button or touchscreen, keep your firmware updated, and consider professional service for warranty compliance.